We're in Lake Oconee, Georgia, where I'm about to speak to the Georgia Hospital Association. They've assembled 300 of their top leaders, trustees, and board members, and we're going to talk about the TipJar culture. I get the question, Greg, what's a tip that you could give us to help change our people, to get them more engaged? According to a CFO report, 100.5% of employees in hospitals turn over every 5 years. This is the problem we're confronted with. See, the problem isn't with our people. The problem is the experience our people have working.
Because I was wondering, how is this going to apply to me as a hospital executive? The discussion about people, about culture, about keeping things simple, about sharing success with your employees. I could take it back to work next week and apply the lessons that he taught.
How can you simplify the idea of opting in to what your organization is all about so that everybody can participate from day one? Let's have everybody do it together one more time. Everybody! Give yourself a round of applause.
He gave us a presentation today like we've never had before. Everybody has told me how much they enjoyed it, and I think you would too.
If we take the opportunities in front of us to help make the people around us better people, we can create the type of environment that people want to engage with. That engagement leads to better performance, better employee retention, and better overall outcomes. Come on, let's go.